what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo ng subscribe, like, and share button para may updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan na natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is Stages in Developmental Task. So yan, may mga stages pa dyan and mga task na pwede nating makita when it comes to the phase of our development as a human. So first, that's early childhood. So early childhood, it is characterized by basic tasks such as learning to walk, to take solid food, and to control the elimination of body waste. So early childhood is characterized by basic tasks such as learning to walk, to take solid food, and to control the elimination of body waste. And in addition, young children have to achieve more complex cognitive and social tasks. So when it comes to that early childhood, such as to form simple concepts of reality and to relate emotionally to other people. So in middle childhood developmental tasks relate to the expansion of individual's world outside of the home. So when it comes to middle childhood, developmental tasks relate to the expansion of individual's world outside of home or getting along with mga ka-age nila. So learning skills for curiosity-valued games, learn mental trust into the world of adult concepts and communication examples, the skills in writing, reading, and calculating. So in adolescence, developmental task requires a person to develop personal independence and a philosophy of life. So when it comes to adolescence naman, so achieving adolescent developmental tasks require a person to develop personal independence and philosophy of life. So adolescents are confronted, for example, with learning to achieve new forms of intimate relationships. So dyan na nagkakapasok yung magkakaroon ng mga crush, pagkakaroon ng mga love life, and pag-explore what love is. So ayan. So preparing for an occupation, achieving emotional independence of parents, and developing mature set of values and ethical principles. So the peer group plays a major role in facilitating the achievement of adolescence developmental tasks by providing a context in which some of these tasks can be developed. So, ayan yung nangyayari sa adolescence. So, dyan na nagkaka-concept ng mga puberty, love life, maturity, pagkakaroon ng mga changes sa physical change ng body natin. So, kung ano na yung mga skills natin, what are talents, ano yung mga na-discover mong mga achievements, mga talents na pwede mong ipakita sa school, sa peers, and sa academics and extracurricular activities. When it comes to middle childhood, ayan, pag middle childhood talaga, lagi kang nasa labas, nakikipaglaro ka, you'll discover what yung environment na meron ka. Like, you learn from your kababatas, you learn from yourself, paano ka ba makakikipaghalubilo, and what games that you will play, and ano yung nabubuo niyong bond with your peers sa labas or sa pagkakaroon ng friends in elementary schools or preschools. So, ayan, pag early childhood, dyan lang nagsisimula yung mga first steps, first talk, yung mga first words as a baby. So, ayan. So, next tayo. So, when it comes to young adulthood and old age naman, so ito na yung parang pinaka-last phase na para nandito na tayo sa maturity, may development, nakakapag-work na tayo, mayroon na tayong mga educational backgrounds, we can work, we can explore more about ourselves in the field of work, in our talents, and how we will show it to other people, and how it will be essential for young people to teach them what you've learned in your life and what you've learned along the way, so that they will have a good decisions when they grow up naman. So for example, when you're in the phase of old age, you will advise your grandchildren to do such things. You should have a good advice when it comes to growing up, and to have a emotional support for them, so that they can have a guide and a education and knowledge along the way habang lumalakas sila. So when it comes to young adulthood, so sa young adulthood, developmental tasks are mainly located in family, work, and social life. So family-related developmental tasks are described as finding a mate, learning to live with a marriage partner, and of course, managing family home. So, ito naman, So, ayan, nag-cut pala. I'm sorry. Namatay yung, nagkaroon ng screen lock yung cellphone. So, namatay siya. 15 seconds lang pala yung screen time niya. So, nag-ulit ako ng a minute. So, dito tayo sa young adulthood. So, you will managing a home. So, dito na papasok yung marriage. Dito na papasok yung pagkakaroon ng family. Nasa-start na kaya mag-build ng home, ng career, ng pagkakaroon ng mga kids, pag-focus sa bahay, how will you build a good home, how will you focus on your career, so that you can be successful, and you can help your parents, and you can help your family to have a good living. So, when it comes to midlife naman, so, people reach the peak of their control over the environment around them and their personal development. In addition, social responsibilities are maximized. So, during midlife, people reach the peak of their control over the environment. So, midlife is a period during which people confront the one set of psychological changes, and developmental tasks during midlife relate to, for example, achieving adult responsibilities, maintaining a standard living, assisting children with transition into adulthood, and adjusting to the psychological changes of middle life. So, when it comes to midlife, for example, you're a parent na, may mga anak ka na, nakabuo ka na ng family mo, and yung mga anak mo, nagkakaroon na sila ng phase ng development into adolescence. So, you'll guide them what to do, kung ano yung natutunan mo, you will discipline their values, their responsibilities, so that they can have a good shape of character and personal development na rin. So, ayan. So, sa old age naman, the last phase of the developmental task. So, yung ating old age, it is often to be characterized as period of loss and decline. So, yan yung pinaka-in-short na definition. But, old age, it consists of both gains and losses, although the gain-loss ratio becomes increasingly negative with advancing age. So, a central developmental task that characterizes the transition into old age is adjustment to retirement. So, yan, di ba, may work ka, for example, sa company. So, yan, magre-retire na. So, you can have a rest. So, kasi nga, when it comes to old age, yung mga katawan natin, nagiging mahina na. So, hindi na magiging fit to work. So, ayan, nagkakaroon na mga ng resignation, mga pag-retire. So, to be filled with new projects. For example, may lola and lola explore more about nature when they retire. So, yung mga lola at lola natin na nagkakaroon ng discovery pa sa mga talents nila, sa pagkakaroon pa ng values and virtues about life. So, they can be a guide din sa inyo. So, same sa parents natin, they can be a guardian when it comes to how to manage life and in times of crisis, in times of grief, in times of problems, in times of kailangan mo ng advice when it comes to financial problems. So yan. So it is characterized by few valid cultural guidelines. So adaptation to retirement involves both potential gains and losses. So the achievement of this task may be characterized by another task or living on a reduced income after retirement. So, yan ang ating lesson for stages in developmental task. So, ayan yung mga natin, early childhood, middle childhood, adolescence, young adulthood, so midlife, and old age. So, that's it for today's lesson. So, yan yung report namin, yun yung lahat. So, yung next ito is a video presentation. But I will give the videos in the comment section. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.